So I'm already done with the chopsticks.
Are you?
I can't handle them.
I didn't even bother.
So this is the Buldak spicy ramen times two. And we added a little bit extra with the Hurt Dairy Farms Aljaw sauce. Just to give it that extra kick. So, well, we're just gonna have fun. That's about it.
Bottoms up.
Enjoy it, guys.
Alright,
Try
guys.
my best.
With your chopsticks there, Brando.
Let's see how this goes. I feel like I'm failing already.
Tastes good.
Mmm.
Oh yeah. First bite, the eyes
That's hot enough.
have watered.
Yeah, I'd say so. Lips are burning already.
So, what do they call it exactly? Is it Thai chili extract? Is that what it is in here?
Thai chilies.
Aside from the hurt berry?
Some kind of extract.
It is really good.
Do people do this like all the time in China or Japan or whatever the hell? It's from?
I don't know. I think all over the world. All over the world they do this. It's pretty popular.
It'd be hilarious if there was like 5 Asian dudes that just look just like us, do the same thing. Making fun of her for the gluten allergy.
Oh, round eye. He has such a weak stomach.
He's a weak stomach. He can't take gluten.
It's really tasty.
I'm trying not to touch my lip.
It's actually really
Very good. Good sauce,
I
Joe.
just jumped off screen to puke really quick.
good. Yeah, how's that?
No, I'm just joking.
Oh boy.
Yeah, it's warm.
Oh yeah.
Can't wait to poop tomorrow.
The problem is that it's actually hot too, I think.
It's hot. Oh, it's hot.
Where does it get you guys the most? Lips?
Lips right now, for
Left
sure.
side. In the bum.
In the bum.
Make eye drops into this stuff.
We'll edit out the slurp.
That's a lot of editing.
Edit out the slurps, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
We'll have to call up PewDiePie's editor. Just get him to chop this up.
Adding that Reaper sauce, you tasted a bit more, eh?
I didn't do it the first time with you guys, so I have no basis to how hot these are normally.
I can't remember. I wasn't feeling good. I didn't do it the first time.
I was super confident for the first few minutes of this. And
Me too. Now I'm slowing down.
yeah.
Do we have to drink the broth that's also in?
Yep.
Yeah.
No.
That's the best part.
No.
Tiny Tim.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Oh boy.
See, it's more brutal when you cook it in the broth, eh?
Oh yeah.
It's building.
It's a builder.
We're doing tubatera right after this too.
Several.
We do have to revisit that Tube of Terror, boys. We gotta man up.
That's true.
Yep.
How bad was Toe of Satan compared to the two?
Ah, that's a good question.
Oh god. Different man. One's a candy. Nothing that I did. Oh, my feet are sweating.
My palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy.
Is that mom's spaghetti?
No. No, I wish. Yeah. Oh my god.
Right?
It's a lot hotter as you go, I guess.
I feel like we're gonna peak though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello.
And something else because it's hot with the spicy heat.
But also,
And also, you're splashing it around your lips and
yeah.
your mouth. Oh boy.
Oh my. Amazing. How sweet. I can't even like it, so. Oh dear God.
It's definitely hot.
Oh no, it's flashback.
1 minute, Russell.
1 minute.
Oh boy.
Are we doing a burnout challenge after? Just no drinking?
I've already been in the milk, so.
There's not the weight lift button for me to catch up, man. I was a slow eater.
Really burned the lips.
And then
I'm happy we did this though, finally.
Oh yeah.
couldn't wait for this one.
It's my favorite so far.
I'll clean the sinuses out.
I needed that actually. I was getting a little stuffed up there. Dude.
I'm starting to drip. It really does look like blood red, like just
Yeah, look at that.
Hey.
Oh. Blood red.
There's lots of seeds in there too. Thai chili seeds.
Yeah.
Oh, we were full blown drinking this, eh?
I don't know.
I don't know if I can.
You don't have to.
Thanks, Joe.
Brooks has sucked up a lot of his sauce.
Yeah, they did. The burn.
I'm sweating bad. Oh, I'm starting to sweat.
Damn.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Oh, I need paper towel.
Like the LA Beast sings the whole thing.
And have a good day.
Shout out to the LA Beast. You waste paper towel, but I love you.
Oh, God.
Brandon loves the LADs.
I don't like how it's like sticking to the side of the bowl. It's like that's what it's gonna be like on my insides.
You're not gonna drink the sauce?
Nope. Maybe. I need
Oh God.
to blow my nose first.
Oh boy.
Oh, I really don't want to drink it,
Oh, you don't have to.
but I do.
I don't know, man. It looks pretty potent.
If he does it, he's like the first one.
No.
Is what Sean left.
No, Brick did.
He didn't really have a whole lot left though.
No, he did. I put extra sauce
Oh, so nice. So nice.
Did you do it?
Got it, boy.
All those seeds, man. All those seeds.
Finish your soup.
Motherfucker.
Oh yeah.
Now the afterburn.
I feel like I'll vomit if I do attempt to drink that. Like right away.
How does it feel, Luke?
Feels good. Feels like you know that feeling when you drink a cup of leftist tears? It's like that.
The only thing that's saving it is it doesn't have like the Reaper afterburn like climb.
Yeah.
It peaked out early. It's fucking hot, but it peaked out early.
My tongue is salivating.
What are endorphins?
I can't drink that much. I'm sorry.
Oh, God.
That's from hyperventilating, bro. You gotta control your breath. Like the pins and needles and lightheadedness.
Yeah,
This is where it does not pay to be a slow eater, Joey.
I guess not.
Yeah. Well, I'll just be like, That was tasty.
They
You guys
actually did
are
taste amazing.
8 minutes and 30 seconds.
Oh God.
Not bad. 8 minutes of fun.
Is this mine?
Fun time. Just share it.
Okay.
Just share it. Oh, the sinuses.
Yeah.
Oh.
PT.
Like,
I'm done.
oh, the milk cools the lips.
How you guys doing? Good?
Yeah, that was good. That was,
It's actually not that bad, but you
it was enjoyable. Better than the peanuts.
should we save what's left, what's left for the next batch and make it increasingly hotter and hotter?
We'll strain it and we'll do shots of it right now.
Through our nose.
Snort it.
Yeah.
But chug it.
I'm
Put
good.
it into my eye.
I need a paper towel.
Oh, paper towel.
I feel bad, like.
Slightly.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, well, I mean, yeah.
That
That was good, guys.
auxiliary lip burn
It's
is
not as I
killing
was
me right
expecting,
now.
but yeah, the lip burn. Lip burn.
Oh, yeah.
I just have to go to my happy place.
Yeah, Joe, get it down.
It's just.
Oh,
My grandmother
Joe's-
told me to
Joe's
chew like 50 times.
Oh, the roof of my mouth is now burning. I just want to dunk my head.
Let me know when
in milk.
afterburn's done so I can have a nice chug.
I think there's about
Oh
3
wait,
minutes
that's
left.
not even mine. That's a place.
Alright.
Maybe.
heat will get to you.
You guys are at 10
Will
minutes.
influence the
Okay.
win.
I'll stop.
Well, that was a challenge.
Yeah, it was fun.
What's the juice taste like?
It's super hot. Everybody should do this and add extra sauce to make it even more fierce.
Ugh.
It's burning a lot, but
It's a good burn. It's a good burn.
That was cute.
thanks for tuning in, as always.
Let me know. Let us know any challenges that you think we should do that we may have missed. Thank you.
Yeah,
Except for eating cactuses or cacti. I'm not gonna do that.
no.
Eating cacti. So, thank you. Heat Elite out.
Elite out.
Thanks, guys.